travel world. Enjoy your life. Good day to you all, my friends. Once again, I warmly and lovingly welcome you to the Travel World YouTube channel. Today, I'm back with another new travel video just for you. So my friends, today we're heading out to see a beautiful waterfall. We're going to visit one of the most stunning waterfalls in Sri Lanka, the breathtaking Divini Ella, located in the Sabaragamuwa province. So come on friends, let's go. So friends, we've come about 32 kilometers from where we started our journey. From here, there's just a short distance left to go. Let's keep moving forward. Yeah, guys, did you see that? You can clearly see the waterfall from here. It looks absolutely beautiful. I just can't wait to get closer. We came all the way riding the bike, and now my back's kinda sore. But right now, I don't even feel the tiredness. The waterfall is right there. You can see it, right? All right, friends, just a little bit more to go. Let's go and take in this amazing view. All right, folks, we finally arrived at the very last and most beautiful Waterfall spot of our journey. But I've got to tell you, from here on we have to walk a bit. The path is a little tough, just being honest. But trust me, the view waiting for us is one of the most beautiful in the world. So, shall we go? Let's do this. Wow, guys, we've finally made it right next to the waterfall. This is the one I was telling you about. And honestly, words can't describe how beautiful it looks in person. Once you get up close, that peaceful, calming vibe really hits you. If you ever get the chance, you have to come here. This waterfall is absolutely stunning. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. I hope to bring you more beautiful videos just like this in the future. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like. And also, drop your thoughts or feedback about today's journey or the video in the comments below. Alright then friends, have an amazing day.